Hi guys, how are you going? After a long lockdown, no people here, have a little bit of freedom. So I can get here to see what happened. Fortunately, everything looks okay. No much to rust. Okay, I ordered a steady for my new lathe. So I installed it. The small steady used on my another lathe. It's very small. Good. I use this piece to try to test. It's good. I like it. And as I mentioned, I want my son to study in Canada. Now I'm preparing. So I have to spend more time to learn English online. And maybe I cannot stay here all day like I used to. But I'll do my best to make more videos. Thank you guys, I love you.